Hello, my name is Anna. Today, I want to tell you about my morning. This is my simple morning routine. I will speak slowly. You can listen, you can repeat. You do not need to hurry. Just relax. Just follow my voice. I wake up. Slowly. I open my eyes. It is morning. I look at the clock. It is 6:30. 6:30 in the morning. I breathe in. I breathe out. I feel calm. I feel peaceful. I say to myself, "Good morning, Anna." I sit up slowly. My body feels a little tired, but it is okay. A new day begins. I stretch my arms. I stretch my back. I stretch and relax. I like this quiet moment, this slow moment. I move my legs. I put my feet on the floor. The floor feels cool. It feels nice. I stand up slowly. I do not rush. I like slow mornings. I say, I get out of bed. I repeat it again. I get out of bed. I walk to the window. I open the window a little. Fresh air comes in. The air feels soft. The air feels clean. I breathe slowly. I smile. It is a new day. I walk to the bathroom, step by step. I turn on the light. The light is bright. I look into the mirror. My hair is messy. I laugh a little. I say, I go to the bathroom. I turn on the water. I wash my face. The water is cold. The water wakes me up more. I like this feeling. I say, I wash my face. I repeat it again. I wash my face. After that, I brush my teeth. I do it slowly. Left side, right side, up, down. I look at the mirror and smile. I say, I brush my teeth. I repeat it. I brush my teeth. Then I go to the kitchen. I walk slowly. My body feels more awake. I take a small cup. I pour warm water. The water is not hot. The water is not cold. It is warm, just warm. I drink slowly. I feel good. My body feels awake. I say, I drink warm water. I repeat, I drink warm water. Now I feel fresh. I feel ready. My morning is simple, very simple. I wake up. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I drink warm water. I breathe. I smile. And I start my day. I say, I feel ready. I repeat, I start my day. Now, let us shadow together. I speak slowly. You repeat after me. I wake up. I open my eyes. It is morning. I sit up. I stretch my arms. I get out of bed. I open the window. I feel the fresh air. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I go to the kitchen. I drink warm water. I feel good. I feel ready. I start my day. Now, I ask you some questions. You can answer with one word or short answers. Just try. What time do you wake up? What do you do first in the morning? Do you wash your face in the morning? Do you drink water in the morning? Are you ready for your day? Very good. You are doing great. Even if you speak quietly, even if you speak only in your mind, it is still good practice. You are learning. You are improving, step by step. slowly, clearly. Thank you for practicing with me today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for repeating. This is day 1 of your English journey. A slow journey, a simple journey, but a strong journey. I am proud of you. I believe in you. See you in day 2. Day 2, Anna makes breakfast. Have a good morning and have a good day.